Where's the blue thing, Jake? Let me see it.
No, we don't cut that.
Well, sweetie, I have to put that down on the ground. Okay?
He has to put it on the ground so I don't his knees on.
So I don't get wet. Here, like this. Okay, we ready? Ready, Sky? Okay. How far? Right here?
Yeah.
As far down as I can get it?
Yeah,
Clear down to the ground.
you guys come up here because the tree's going to fall that way. Okay? Hope it's sharp.
Come on around.
Here it goes. Don't push it. Don't push the tree, guys. Help me push. You push, Jay. Come on. Jay, you push.
There it goes! Timber!
There it is. That's our Christmas tree.
Yay!
That's our Christmas tree.
All right, Skylar, Jake, pull it up the hill. You want to drag it up the hill?
I will.
You're going to go get the car and bring it down around yourself?
Yeah, you think?
That's pretty far.
See a little bit more help.
All right, I'll be back.
Hey guys.
Don't break the branches.
Here, like this. Okay, you guys help me take it down the hill. Jake, you going to help? So Drake's going to go get the car and bring it down here. You going to help pull it? You not going to help pull it? Hey. Hey. Watch, there might be cars coming. Hey, I don't know if you should be on that ice.
Guy, you asshole. Walk on this ice and fall down. Now fall down. Watch what I do.
Are you all going to wave?
Guys, this is ice skate game. You really ran on too. This is so timid. But these are of course. Ow! I'm a skater, nice.
Oh, Sky fell.
Kaboom!
Goodness sake.
Oh, Sky.
Oh, you're going to get dirty.